the crews get on site, they assess the damage. They will be updating the arch map at that time, so please continue to take a look at the arch map. We will update those restoration times as we get more information, but right now we're doing everything we can to get power back on as quickly as possible.
Now listen, Matt, very
Yeah,
specifically,
feed
is
the
there an
birds
issue
if
with
you can.
Gordiana? Like, it really seems like the
That's
power goes
seed,
a
that's
lot.
rye.
We actually met with CBRN Council 2 weeks ago to discuss Bullet Tree Island and a few other hotspots that have been significantly damaged from Hurricane Fiona. And as you know, many trees came down during Fiona. Those hurricane force winds knocked many trees down. So we've been trimming trees.